Rong sha zai to chua tu hu kan da mong du gu. Welcome everyone to Learning Hmong with me. Gulumbe hu oa ma yin xiong. My name is Ma Yin Zhang. Bei lu yi ji nu no ya chua tu yo chu ge ha bao zu. Lun bei ba tao do cho nya gen tang lun de kim long ha ki ha lu. Ha chua tu yo nyen tao lu lu gu shao nyo don de tlai tlom. The objective for today is learners will be able to identify the shortenings for single consonants known as Nyekeng Ta through listening and speaking. And learners will be able to recite words by looking at each pictures. Nyekeng Ta mo tan to yo pe yo dao tu. There are a total of 36 Nyekeng Ta. Ban si lo lo. Are you ready? Ja pe pi ko o to ke. Let's get this learning started. Ma, mi, cha, chú, da, đái, ta, tử, ha, hu, na, nông, sa, sáu, ga, go, cha, chùa, la, lúa, sa, sai, ra, rua, ya, ya, ja, dê, ca, cáo, đa, đế, nha, nhu, đa, đùa, va, vá, da, dùa, da, giá, phà, phư, đà, đăng, ca, cái, ya, yang, ga, goa, ba, ba, xa, sống, ba, bò, gla, glue, bla, ble, wash, mla, mlọ, bla, bla ta lo, nga, nga, ra, ring. This is the end of learning Nyekeng Ta. Ocho. Thank you.